Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the pull-up king. Alright, this video I done did a few repairs on all these fleet vehicles, Ford Transits, oil changes, tune up, installing all the cameras in these. And I want to go ahead and show a video on the install on this one. It's my last one. This is what we got. They got a Verizon Connect DASHCAM. I'll show you how I'm gonna put it in. And like I said, I done installed 4 of them. It's my 5th one. It's pretty quick, pretty simple, straightforward. You gotta have the app, but the app will show you a lot more. I wanna just show you, what's going on hands-on. Me putting it in, installing it, run these wires, hide them, come on down here and install. That's the connector that it comes with. And with this particular model, it'll tell you what procedure to do, but with this particular model, all I have to do is connect these here. All right, take that one out and connect it there and plug it up to the OBD reader. Now, if you have a different model or year or whatever, you got to use a different setup, a pin setup, 9-pin. There's different little setups, but this one, it's a lot easier. And that will give it power when you turn the key on. Alright, once we got that plugged up, we're going to download this app right here, integrated video. And now we're going to identify the camera. It's a barcode on the side. We're going to scan it. And then you pick, like I said, I done did 5 of them. This is the 5th one. You got to pick the one, the memory card or SIM card or whatever. You look on this here, and you look for the SIM card, the number, match it up.
Install an AI dash cam for Verizon Connect. Here's how. We'll
Got a
show
whole
you how to
little
prep,
video.
connect,
Shows you.
mount, tidy up, and assign the camera.
I already know what's going on, so just go through all of this. Get to this screen where I can see the camera, because what I'm going to do right now is mount the camera or position it so I can see what the camera angle is looking like. So you just put it up, put it in a good position. Let me do that now. Well, let me add this real quick before you put it up there and try to get the angle right. Take this side panel off. You got the little tool that it comes with. You take those out, pop that, pry it, the side off. That way you can angle, because right now you can't move the camera, the front camera or the cabin camera. Once you relieve that, you can swivel it. Alright, that's how that looks off. You can see the camera moves. Alright, look pretty good. We can work with that. Alright, next you got the alcohol pads that they give you. You want to wipe down the glass. Next we're going to take this layer off. Get ready to stick it on the glass. Alright, once you get it mounted, go ahead and hide these wires under here. Come all the way around. Come back. gonna take off this black piece here. Run it along all the way down. Put it behind this piece here. Up under. Let's see, I got it. Pull this back here so we can get it here. Take that rubber down. All the way down. That's what we're hiding it at. Alright, we're looking good up here. No wires showing. Everything flush. Go ahead and get this at the bottom. Hide these wires. Alright, we got them tucked away. Alright, your little device, you gotta put that in there. Verizon. Connect that. That won't close. And we done. If you liking the content, man, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Appreciate y'all. Till next video. Pull up King.